In this video, I'm going to show you how you can deactivate your Facebook account so that it's not fully deleted and you can access it whenever you want, but you can't just use it normally, so it's actually deactivated and you have to activate it again. So what we have to do is we click on the top left right here, then we scroll down a little bit till we see this option, which is called Settings and Privacy. We're gonna click on this and then we select the Settings option right here. Then we're gonna go in the Account Center. We click on See More in Account Center. We're gonna scroll down and then we're gonna click on Personal Details. And then we're going to click on Account Ownership and Deactivation or your deletion. We're going to select the account that we want to deactivate. And here you can see Deactivate Account. Your account and main profile will be deactivated and your name and photos will be removed from your things you shared. You will be able to continue using Messenger. So as you can see, you can deactivate it here or even delete it. But in this case, we only want to deactivate the account. And then I'm going to click on this option and continue. And here you can see your account will be deactivated and what you can't use anymore. And then you're just going to click on continue to, deactivate your Facebook account. I hope this video was useful to you. And if it was useful, please consider subscribing. And if you have any questions, please drop them in the comments and I will respond to the comments to answer your questions. Yeah, if this video was useful to you, please consider subscribing. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.